Looking to achieve that radiant, lit from within glow? Cream highlighters are the secret to a dewy, natural finish. Whether you're aiming for a subtle sheen or an intense glow, the right cream highlighter can make all the difference. Today, we'll be reviewing the top 5 best cream highlighters that cater to every skin tone and preference. From lightweight formulas to intense glow, these products promise to bring out your inner radiance. Let's dive in and find your next glow-enhancing favorite. Kicking off our list at number 1, Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. The Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector is a cult favorite in the beauty world, known for its smooth, luminous finish. This cream highlighter is designed to create a stunning, lit-from-within glow that complements all skin tones. Its silky texture glides effortlessly onto the skin, leaving a radiant sheen that catches the light beautifully. Key features: this highlighter is packed with ultrafine pearl particles that deliver an ethereal, multi-dimensional glow. Its creamy consistency ensures easy blending, and the formula is free of parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, making it gentle on the skin. The highlighter comes in a variety of shades, from soft golds to pinks, ensuring a perfect match for all undertones. Benefits and usage: the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector offers a radiant finish that can be built up for a more intense glow. It can be applied directly to the high points of the face, such as the cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow, or mixed with foundation for an all-over glow. The product can also be used on the body for added radiance. Usability: this product is incredibly user-friendly and can be applied with your fingers, a brush, or a sponge, depending on your preference. Its smooth texture allows for seamless blending, and its lightweight feel ensures comfort throughout the day. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this highlighter will elevate your makeup routine with ease. Durability: Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector has earned a reputation for its long-lasting power. It stays in place, without fading or becoming patchy, even on long days. Its compact packaging also ensures that the product remains intact, making it a great choice for travel. In the second spot, we have Glossier Haloscope. The Glossier Haloscope is a unique cream highlighter known for its ultra-natural finish and hydrating benefits. This highlighter is perfect for those who want a dewy, radiant glow without the heavy shimmer. Its built-in moisturizing core makes it a standout option for dry skin types. Key features: this cream highlighter features a blend of coconut oil and diamond powder, which adds hydration while delivering a soft, luminous finish. The formula is designed to mimic the look of natural, healthy skin and is available in several shades, ranging from subtle champagne to soft rose hues. Benefits and usage: Haloscope is perfect for achieving a soft, skin-like glow. Simply swipe the product onto your cheekbones, nose bridge, or brow bone, and blend with your fingers or a brush for a natural, lit-from-within effect. Its creamy texture makes it easy to layer, allowing for a customized glow. Usability: one of the most user-friendly highlighters on the market, Glossier Haloscope can be applied directly from the stick and blended out with minimal effort. Its hydrating formula ensures it glides smoothly, making it ideal for those with dry or sensitive skin. Durability: while Haloscope provides a beautiful, dewy glow, its longevity is best suited for those with normal to dry skin types. The product wears well throughout the day, but may need a touch-up for those with oily skin. Its sleek, portable packaging makes it ideal for on-the-go applications. Coming in at number 3 is the RMS Beauty Living Luminizer. The RMS Beauty Living Luminizer is a luxurious, multifunctional cream highlighter that offers a sheer, dewy finish. This product is well known for its clean, natural ingredients, making it a favorite among those who prefer organic beauty products. It imparts a glowing, youthful look with just a few swipes. Key features: RMS Beauty's Living Luminizer is crafted with organic ingredients such as coconut oil, jojoba oil, and beeswax, which hydrate and nourish the skin while adding a radiant glow. Its subtle, pearlescent finish is perfect for those looking for a soft, natural highlight. Benefits and usage: this highlighter can be applied to the high points of your face, such as the cheekbones, brow bones, and down the bridge of the nose, to enhance your natural features. It can also be used on the collarbones and shoulders for a glowing, all-over radiance. Its buildable formula allows for a customized level of glow. Usability, ideal for those who prefer a natural look, this highlighter can be applied with your fingers for easy blending. It is also great for on-the-go application, as it doesn't require tools or brushes. The creamy texture makes it easy to work with and provides a smooth, seamless finish. Durability, the RMS Beauty Living Luminizer has a decent staying power, especially on dry skin. It gives a soft, dewy finish that lasts for several hours. However, those with oily skin may find the product needs a slight touch-up as the day progresses. Taking our fourth spot is Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. The Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter is a multi-use highlighter that doubles as a primer, foundation, and illuminator. It offers a soft focus glow that blurs imperfections while giving the skin a radiant, flawless finish. This highlighter is perfect for those who want to glow with skincare benefits. Key features: this product features a blend of light diffusing particles, which create a soft focus effect on the skin, minimizing the appearance of imperfections. The lightweight, liquid formula can be worn alone or mixed with foundation to add a healthy radiance. It's available in several shades, ranging from fair to deep. Benefits and usage: the Hollywood Flawless Filter can be applied as a highlighter on the high points of the face or used all over for a lit from within glow. It can also be layered with other makeup products for an added dewy finish. Its versatility makes it a must-have in any makeup collection. Usability: this product is easy to use and can be applied with your fingers, a brush, or a sponge. The formula blends seamlessly, offering an effortless glow. Its smooth texture ensures that it doesn't settle into fine lines, making it suitable for all ages. Durability: Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood Flawless Filter is known for its longevity. It stays put throughout the day, maintaining that radiant glow without fading or settling into pores. Its multifunctional nature also adds to its durability, making it a versatile option for any makeup routine. And finally, at number 5, we have Fenty Beauty Matchsticks. The Fenty Beauty Matchsticks is a versatile, multi-purpose product that can be used for contouring, highlighting, and concealing. Its creamy formula delivers a natural, dewy glow that works beautifully for every skin tone. Known for its long-lasting power, the Matchsticks is a favorite for those seeking a quick, effective highlighter. Key features: the Matchsticks comes in a variety of shades, catering to all skin tones. It features a smooth, blendable texture that melts into the skin, providing a natural, glowing finish. The product is cruelty-free and formulated without parabens or sulfates, making it a great choice for those looking for clean beauty. Benefits and usage: use the Matchsticks to highlight the cheekbones, nose bridge, and Cupid's bow for a radiant glow. Its buildable formula allows for a custom glow, from a soft, natural sheen to a more intense highlight. The stick format makes it easy to apply directly to the skin and blend with your fingers or a brush. Usability: the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks is simple to use and ideal for makeup on the go. Its compact size and twist-up design make it perfect for travel, while the creamy texture ensures easy blending. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a pro, this product is quick and convenient. Durability: this highlighter has excellent staying power, lasting throughout the day without fading or settling. Its formula is long-lasting, and it remains smooth and radiant even in humid or hot conditions. There you have it, the top 5 best cream highlighters to help you achieve a glowing, radiant complexion. Whether you're after a soft, natural glow or a more intense shine, these products deliver results that last all day. Each of these highlighters offers something unique, from hydrating formulas to buildable coverage. Let us know which one you're most excited to try in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Stay glowing, and we'll see you in the next one.